Venmo, a mobile payment platform developed by PayPal, has revolutionized the way people handle financial transactions. Since its inception in 2009, it has grown immensely popular for its ease of use and convenience. As we move further into the digital age, Venmo is expected to become even more integral to daily transactions. This guide will help you navigate Venmo from setting up an account to utilizing its advanced features, ensuring you can make the most of this powerful tool. Venmo is one of the leading mobile payment apps, offering a simple and user-friendly interface that allows users to send and receive money effortlessly. Whether you are splitting a restaurant bill with friends, paying your share of the rent, or reimbursing a colleague for coffee, Venmo makes it easy to transfer funds without the hassle of cash or checks. The app's most appealing feature is the absence of transaction fees for standard bank transfers, making it a cost-effective choice. Users can connect their preferred payment methods and transfer funds seamlessly. Additionally, Venmo allows users to split bills with multiple people in real time, view and interact with friends' transactions, and keep track of who owes money. Using Venmo is straightforward. To send money, you simply need to enter the recipient's username or scan their unique QR code using your phone's camera. You can also request money from others by entering their username or selecting them from your contacts. One of Venmo's standout features is its ability to split bills. Whether you are out for dinner or sharing costs on a trip, you can easily divide expenses among multiple people without the need to handle cash or IOUs. However, note that while using a bank account or debit card incurs no transaction fees, there are fees for credit card transactions. Setting up a Venmo account is quick and easy. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Download the Venmo app. First, download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. The app is available for both iOS and Android users. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app and click Sign Up. You will need to provide your email address, phone number, password, full name, date of birth, and zip code. Ensure all information is accurate as it is crucial for security purposes. Step 3. Verify your email address. After completing the required fields, Venmo will send a verification link to your email. Click on this link to verify your email address. Step 4. Link your bank account or card. To send money through Venmo, you must link a bank account or debit credit card. Navigate to Settings, then Payment Methods, and then Add Bank or Card. Follow the prompts to enter your banking details or scan your card using your phone's camera. Step 5. Set up security measures. To protect your account from unauthorized access, set up security measures such as two-factor authentication via SMS or fingerprint recognition. Step 6. Complete your profile. Personalize your Venmo profile by adding a profile picture, username, and bio. This makes it easier for friends to find you on the app. Once these steps are completed, you are ready to start sending and receiving money. Venmo offers several features that simplify managing money among friends, family, and businesses. Splitting expenses is effortless with Venmo. Open the app and tap the menu icon at the top left. Select Pay or Request. Enter the recipient's email, phone number, or username, add a note, and enter the amount. Tap Split Payment, choose your payment method, and confirm the transaction. To request money, tap Request at the bottom of the screen. Enter the recipient's details, add the amount and reason, and tap Request. You can also add a reminder note or set a due date for the payment. Venmo has expanded its services to include international payments, though this is limited to users with a US bank account or card. Open the app, tap Pay or Request. Enter the recipient's details, add a note, and the amount in US dollars. Select your payment method, review, and confirm the transaction. Venmo is ideal for anyone looking for a convenient way to send and receive money. Its user-friendly interface and fast transaction times appeal to a broad audience, from college students and small business owners to families and travelers. Many businesses now accept Venmo, making it a versatile payment method for various situations. Freelancers and small business owners benefit from Venmo's quick processing times and low fees, while digital nomads find it a great solution for sending money back home. Essentially, Venmo suits anyone needing a reliable, cashless payment method. Venmo for Business, launched in 2021, allows small businesses to create business profiles and accept Venmo payments. Setting up a business profile is simple and requires providing your business information, including your employer identification number, business name, address, username, and a short description of your business. Many companies now use Venmo for faster and more efficient payment processing. Customers can transfer funds from their bank account or credit card to the business's account with just a few clicks, reducing the risk of fraud or errors. Small businesses, startups, and freelancers often use Venmo to pay for goods and services from other businesses, eliminating the need for checks or wire transfers and allowing for instant payments. Some companies have integrated Venmo into their payroll systems, enabling employers to transfer funds directly to employees' Venmo accounts on payday. This not only saves time, but also gives employees greater control over their finances. Venmo's blend of convenience, speed, and security makes it a valuable tool for personal and business transactions. Whether you are splitting a bill, requesting money, or running a small business, Venmo offers a versatile and efficient solution for managing payments. If you are ready to embrace digital payments and enjoy the benefits of a cashless transaction system, setting up a Venmo account is a great place to start. Follow the steps outlined in this guide, explore the app's features, and start making seamless transactions today. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.